Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use MediaFire. And as some of you may know, MediaFire is a online file transferring program, and it's very simple to use. So I'm going to show you guys how to use it. So first you have to go to MediaFire.com, and I'm going to go ahead and log in. And then say I'm in here right now. I'm going to create a new folder. I'm going to say test and then hit create. And then I'm going to click on that folder I just made and I'm going to hit upload. And I'm going to say from computer. And I click that little plus. I'm just going to upload. How about I just upload this Discord intro just because it's cool. And it says video 8.mkv and you hit begin upload. Now, it might take a little bit depending on how big your file is, but just give it a second. It should go pretty quickly. See, it's already at 55%. I mean, it's really easy to use. I mean, yeah, some programs you have to pay for it, or like for a certain amount of storage or whatever you need. Like if you're using it for professional use, like in a business, you should get the paid version. I'm using the free version. It gives you 10 gigabytes, but it's just easy enough for like you using it at home when you share videos with your friends. And yeah, it's pretty much done. It's 98%, as you can see right there. And then once this thing finishes, but the one thing is you can't view the video inside of MediaFire. You would have to click on it and you download it, that's one of the things. But it looks like it finished. Give it 1 sec. It should say it's done in a second. It's verifying the file. And then boom. And it would say share folder. And then if you're wanting to share this folder with your friends, you'd click share folder. And it would copy a link to your clipboard. And then you'd go to like Discord or whatever and paste the link right there. And it would send you to that folder. And then if you wanted to download it, you'd click on it and it would say share download. If I click download, it would bring me to another page, which I click that and it would download it. But yeah, I thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out, and see you next time. Bye.